Today we're making this chicken and couscous one skillet dinner. This one's so easy to make and it's healthy too. Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to share this one skillet dinner with you. It is summertime and I am totally not trying to be in the kitchen for like longer than 30 minutes. So today we're making this one skillet meal. It's ready in under 30 minutes. It's super healthy. It's got couscous in it. It also has chicken breast, which is high in protein. I like to top mine with some feta and fresh parsley. This one's so good, so let's get started. This recipe is also super easy to prep. We're gonna get started by just chopping up. We need a half a cup of yellow onion. I like to use the sweet onion here, and we just want this nice and diced. We're also gonna chop up 2 garlic cloves, make this nice and minced so you don't get a giant chunk of garlic. Then we've got some fresh parsley. I like to use the flat leaf parsley, and we're just gonna chop up about 2 tablespoons of this. Next, we're gonna get our chicken breast prepped. All we need is 2 chicken breasts, and we're gonna slice them down the center to make 2 thinner chicken cutlets, so 4 chicken breasts total. And you wanna cut these in similar width if you can, that way that they'll all cook around the same time. And they don't have to be perfect, but it does help if they are pretty similar in thickness. And then if yours are really wet, you do want to pat them dry with some paper towels. Mine look pretty good. Next, we're going to season our chicken breast. So I just have a combination of oregano, paprika, we've got some garlic powder and salt. Just coat each side of these in some seasoning. Next, we're gonna get our chicken cooking on our skillet. I'm using an enameled skillet for this. Stainless steel also works great. You can also use a Dutch oven. You do wanna make sure that you have a lid that fits tight to this because we're gonna be needing it for the couscous. So I'm using the Moroccan style couscous. This is like that light, fluffy kind. It almost looks like quinoa when it's done. Pearl couscous is delicious, but it's not for this recipe. It's gonna be a little bit longer to cook and it's just not gonna work with the chicken stock we're using. So make sure you get the Moroccan style. Heat the pan to medium low, add in the olive oil, then add in the chicken breasts. These are gonna cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. And this is where it's important for them to be similar size because they're gonna cook at different temperatures. If not, what happened to mine is I had one that was a little bit thicker and then my pan started to get a bit black, but it's really no big deal. You can just allow it to cool off and then just go ahead and rinse out the pan. I'm gonna put my chicken breast on a plate and cover with some foil just to keep it nice and warm. Next, we're gonna add a tablespoon of butter into the pan with our onions. We're gonna cook these until nice and soft, and we're gonna season them with some salt and red pepper flakes. Add in garlic and chicken stock, and you wanna allow that chicken stock to come to a boil around the edges. Then pour in that couscous. Turn off the heat completely. Cover it for about 5 minutes. Then once it's finished, you're gonna uncover it and just give this a nice little fork fluff or stir with your spoon. Then add in lemon juice and our chicken. Once it's finished up, I like to just top it with a bunch of parsley and feta cheese. It just brings in a lot more color because it's kind of boring without it. And add in all that feta. The feta just brings like a really nice salty flavor to the dish. Then I like to add some lemon wedges to the skillet just to make it extra pretty, and that's it. This is ready to serve. We are all done with this chicken and couscous dinner. I hope you guys love this one. It's so simple, super easy, ready in less than 30 minutes. It's a great one to save for when the kids go back to school and it's really busy on the weeknights. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure to let me know in the comments if you decide to make it. And don't forget to subscribe so you can keep watching my videos. I post a new recipe every single week and I love sharing them with you. Thanks so much and I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm taking a bite right out of the skillet. This is so good. I love the couscous because it's really light and fluffy. It's great for summertime.